Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video is going to be on my WeatherTech 24-inch bump step and why you need to get this for your vehicle. About a month ago, I had gone to Ammo Brothers to pick up some ammo so I can go to the shooting range and do some target practice, and my backing into the stall didn't go as planned. Every time I go there, I park in the same spot. I back in, I use the camera. At the front of each of their parking stalls, they have a sign that says for Ammo Brothers parking only. And usually when I back in, the sign pole winds up right here. On this particular visit, it wound up right here, and I had put this bump step to the test. Well, not this one, this is the replacement one. This you can purchase from WeatherTech.com for like $120 without the locking kit. If you want the locking kit, it's an extra 20 bucks. But anyway, I had put this to the test and it had saved my bumper. As you can see, there is no damage. This is the bump step I had put to the test, and as you can see, it doesn't look like there's any damage. On the underside of it, you can see that there is a honeycomb design to this bump step, so it will absorb a 5-mile-per-hour impact. I didn't hit the signpost at 5 miles an hour. I had hit it on the very edge right here. So when I hit it, it pushed it in, and I'll show you the damage that it did to the 2-inch mounting post. As you can see right here, it is cracked. So of course this is reversed now because I'm showing you the bottom, but the pole hit right here. It pushed the whole bump step back and it cracked the mounting post right here. So this 24-inch bump step did exactly what it's designed to do. It saved my bumper and there is no damage. They have this bump step in 2 sizes. You have there is a 20-inch one. This is $80. This one is $120. If you want the locking mechanism, it is $140. I didn't need to spend the extra $20 because I have my own little lock and pin right here. This bump step is for bumping into stuff, or if someone bumps into you, or you can use it as a step to get into the back of the truck when the tailgate is closed. I do highly recommend this because I'm sure, if I would have done it my bumper, I wouldn't have replaced it, but it would have looked like crap and that really would have pissed me off. So for 120 bucks, I think it is well worth it. So you really do need to get one of these, and thank you WeatherTech, because your bump step saved my bumper from being damaged. So if you like this video, tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, that really helps out my channel, and the bell icon, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. If you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks button underneath this video. Anything I get goes right back into my channel. Well, that's it for this video. There might be a few bloopers at the end of this video, so stay tuned for those. Once again, thank you WeatherTech, and I really do recommend this product. It only works on hitch receivers that have a 2-inch trailer hitch, so it won't work if you have a 1.5-inch. You might be able to get an adapter for it, but it might stick out kind of far. But I really do recommend this, and that's it for the video. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, and may your bumper stay dent-free. That's it, folks. Bye. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video is going to be on my 24-inch weather step. Okay, test 1, test 2, test 3. So I had to order another one. This is about, oh shit, I can't remember how much it was. 150? I can't remember. I'm gonna have to look it up. Move, move, get, go. Psst. Go, 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 go. Test 1. This bump step, well, not this one, this is a new one. The bump step saved my bumper from being damaged. Sorry about that. Damn it. This is 119. No, sorry, correction. This is 100. Sorry. This one is $79. Too many takes. $119, $120, and $140 with the kit. Anyway, so this did what it's designed to do. Son of a biscuit. Maybe there might be some bloopers in this one. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to do one more final take.